Welcome to day 2. This is Super and this is the Cooper. It's motor mount day, so I'm already in the process. I kind of like to get work done before I start filming. Ghetto bird above. I'm going to remove these three 16 millimeters, replace it with a brand new one, OEM. I just have aftermarket poly bushings. Then I'm gonna get underneath with the E-Torques, remove those, and get one more step out the way. So I feel like I hit a little speed bump, but I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna do some more research. I got this for, you can see it's shot, super shot. So I'm still gonna replace this one. This one definitely needs to come out. It's just this E-Torques that I'm having trouble with. I have one. I just gotta make sure I'm turning it the correct way so I don't strip anything, because it already looked like somebody's having trouble with it. So I'm gonna do a little bit more research, but this definitely needs to come out. It's no good. It's no good at all. And I can't just change one or change two, because I changed the torque one at the bottom. I can't just leave it like that. So I gotta figure something out. So I got a breakthrough. Shout out to the DIY car guy. He did a first generation engine mount bolt, and I wasn't sure if I was supposed to turn it clockwise or counterclockwise. So it's loose. I'm about to take it out and let's replace these motor mounts. So upon further inspection, this is what I'm dealing with. This is what I was riding around on. It's kind of crazy. It's kind of crazy. Compared to a brand new one, in comparison, which would be right here. In comparison to that, over this. This is what a brand new one looks like. So this band goes towards the rear. But that's a new motor mount. Time to replace this one. Like it's like I can show you. Let me put this over here. I'm not sure where that clip comes from, but let me show you right quick. That's a brand new one. Compared to like, oh, that's lithium grease. Don't ask me why I did that, but that's lithium grease. Why it's covered in white. That's lithium grease. I was spraying some stuff down in here. So this is just a poly bushing. It's discolored. Not sure why it's tinged like that. But there's 2 metal washers that go on to it. So leave that up there. These 2 metal washers. So those go together. I'll leave those right there. These 2 metal washers go over like that and make a sandwich, so that those bushings don't pop in and out. So it's going to make a sandwich like this, and you're just going to bolt it up. So you'll see. It's going to make a little difference, but we'll see how it goes. All right, so they're in. It's time to bolt them down, make sure everything's aligned from top all the way down to the bottom. So it's still jacked up. So the engine is still supported, but I got to make sure the brackets and everything are aligned. I'm about to bolt down the motor mount one and then attach the bracket, and then I'll bolt up from the bottom. So I ran into a little snag with these poly bushings. So I decided to just take them off. Since it's a brand new motor mount anyway, I don't probably necessarily need the extra vibration. I think these might have swollen up with moisture from being in the car for over a year and around grease and other liquids, because these were supposed to keep them sandwiched, but with all the extra width, this bracket doesn't get around them. I'm not quite sure what that's about, but these are unused. If anybody want them, they can have them. Anybody want them, they can have them. But I'm almost there. I have to fasten all this up. I'm waiting for my torque wrench to get here. I don't have one, so I'm just going to hand tighten everything. Arm tighten, really. And then when I get back with my torque wrench, I'm going to go over everything. So almost finished with the motor mounts. Alright, so now everything's fastened down. Torque down, fastened down. It's time to begin on the supercharger.